Good day, everybody. Welcome to today's video. In today's video, if you're like me and the struggle is real because your Jeep TJ antenna, if you have aftermarket lights, it rubs, and over time I put some shrink wrap and a zip tie to hold it in place. But in this video, I finally bit the bullet, picked up this Rugged Ridge reflex antenna for the Jeep TJ, and I'm going to install that on the Jeep and rid myself of that problem once and for all. I got the part number in the comments, but it's 17212-06. The shorty antenna comes with two attachments. Now I'm going to use a 3/8 wrench. And I got lucky, and it broke free, and it's coming out. Usually when I try this, like when I did on my JK, it was a struggle. But this is coming out really nice. There's a head camera view. And then finally gets to pop out. There we go. See all the corrosion? So you can see the thread pitch right there, and the kit comes with two, so you just need to size them up to determine which one is going to work for you, and then use that for the antenna. Alright, so I just took it apart there, just seeing how it all fits, and I'm just threading it in by hand. But as I soon determined, I'm going to have an issue trying to get it threaded down all the way to the bottom. Ended up busting out these Milwaukee locking pliers and just kind of threading it in that way, being careful that I don't damage the threads that the antenna is going to screw onto. And once I got it down as far as I could, I threaded that base piece in, grabbed the main part of the antenna, and threaded that down to the bottom as far as it would go. So there we are. The Rugged Ridge antenna is put in. It's not exactly a perfect fit, but at least now I won't have it rattling off here. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one.